I think this is pretty simple, but in case that anyone needs anything, here you go. So employee can fill out their own information, ID. If it's somebody else filling it out for them, or if they want this email going somewhere else, they can add a new email address. All they have to know is where they work. If they're administration, so like a cabinet member or something like that, they will type in their own ID number and it'll pop up with administration. But anywho, this is all really straightforward in my mind, but they put in all their stuff, their dates, except dates. They can attach all their supporting documents. They can type in information. You've seen all of this, so we won't go into too much, but they type in their amounts of money and things like that. So hopefully people don't need help with this type of stuff, but you never know. So anyway, so then they submit, and that's the submission process. So simple enough.